Thank you for the purchase. The following steps will guide you through the process of using the mockups. First of all, open any of the PSD files in Photoshop. In the Layers palette, double-click the logo that you want to change. Replace the logo by drag and dropping your logo onto that canvas. Save the document and switch back to the main window. Repeat the same process with the other logo. By toggling these folders, you can also easily change the background colors. Once you're happy with the preview, export the mockup as an image.